Hey, good afternoon. This is Mike with Memphis Garage Closets. This is Brian with Deas Garage Floors.
How's it going?
Just wanted to share a little bit about this project we just recently completed for a customer in Collierville. This customer called us. They had a four-car garage solution. They wanted to maximize the storage availability in it, and they really just wanted to trick it out, okay? So what we did is we put together this package for them. It's got our large storage cabinets. These particular storage cabinets are about 2 feet deep and about 3 feet wide with adjustable shelves inside. You can see they've got the soft close doors. You're not going to slam them shut. Our drawers in the cabinets, they're not soft close, but they're 100-pound ball bearing drawer slides, so they're good and strong, good and stable, very smooth operating. This particular project also has our stainless steel tops and our slat wall. So let me tell you a little bit about slatwall. It's an awesome product for storing things on the wall, whether it be tools, whether it be backyard game boards, whether it be golf clubs. There's tons of things you can store on it. If you take a look over here, you can see you can even store bicycles, bicycling equipment. I think that might be some more golf products over there. But just tons of things that you can do with it. If you can think about it, you can probably store it on slat wall. And I mentioned there was that we pulled the garage floors into this too. So I'm going to let Brian take take a little stab at the garage floors and tell us a little bit about it.
So the customer chose Wombat, which is one of our most popular colors. It really complements the cabinets that Mike installed. This project was installed in one full day with our crew. And as always, we use polyaspartic resin. You can't get any better than that, more durable. We can also control the slip resistance. And we do carry a lifetime adhesion warranty with our floors. So let's go take a look at the other space.
So in this space, you'll see it's very similar product solutions, that sort of thing. We put a little bit more slat wall in this area to be able to put garden equipment. And one of the strengths to slat wall is the way that you can adjust it. No more holes in your walls when you want to move something around, you're not happy with this location. You can see Brian moving the basket around. You can move any of these hooks around. Another great thing about them as well is if you're taking weird items off and you bump the hooks themselves, they lock in place. So you don't have to worry about knocking hooks off when you're taking some of your larger or bulkier items off the hook. As far as the cabinets goes, these are the same types of cabinets. These are a little bit different sizes, right? This particular cabinet is only 20 inches deep, where the other one was 23. But it's still got the adjustable shelves inside it. This one is wider. This is our largest width cabinet. It's 48 inches wide. And we put these reduced depth cabinets back here so that they could still get inside the cabinet while their nice car is parked right in front of it. Again, we've got the stainless steel worktops on it. It's really just been a great solution. As far as the floors goes, Brian, take it over.
Yeah, I think the floors and the storage really set off the car. Yeah, that's